Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes of 3.
Today we're going to talk about doing the impossible.
So, doing the impossible, that sounds big, doesn't it?
It does sound really big.
Sounds really, really big. Basically, the impossible is anything that somebody else or yourself has decided is too big for you to do.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, basically that summarizes it.
Yeah, that's basically it.
Mm-hmm.
We can talk impossible things like, I don't know, going to Pluto or something like that, which is not impossible, it just hasn't been done yet.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's why we always live in a realm of possibilities.
Mm-hmm.
And, the possibility, it's there, the opportunity, it's there. It's just your job to figure out a way of going through this craziness called life and getting to that end result or to that end goal. So, doing the impossible for me has looked like, starting our own online business,
Mm-hmm.
Doing YouTube. We've been at this now 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, 2 years solid. And, we've grown from, everybody starts at zero. So we started at zero and, we've grown in 2 years time. And most of that in the last year,
mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah, just a little over a year.
Just in the last little over a year, we've grown to over 21,000 subscribers right now as we record this, which is, to most people, that just sounds like an impossible number, an impossible goal. And we've reached those goals, and now we're just moving forward. We've reset that bar out there to even more impossible goals. And so doing the impossible, when you get that done, it just inspires you and it inspires those around you to do so much more.
Yeah,
and that is amazing. It's catchy.
It does. It gives you a point to propel forward and to say, this happened at this juncture, so why can't I do this or this? Or whatever your list of, hopes and dreams are that you would like to make happen, but you're just not sure. Maybe it's a little too far out of reach. But it actually isn't. It's just taking that first step to get started.
Yeah. And it's a great reflection point once you get to where you think you're supposedly supposed to be and something bad happens. Mm-hmm. Something always does.
Mm-hmm.
You're always going to have some little mountain to climb. And you can look back and you say, well, heck, I did that. I had all these mountains to climb to get to here where I'm at now. This is nothing. I'll do it again. So, once again, do the impossible, seek out to try to do the impossible, do the things that doesn't make sense, so to speak. Maybe it doesn't make a lot of sense, but you got a hunch. Do the impossible. And a lot of times, and more times than not, it ends up paying off in the long run.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. I really appreciate you watching this video.
And thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.